Hi, and welcome to my channel. I first want to put out there that I am getting absolutely no compensation, no merchandise, no sponsorship from anything that I've mentioned, product or brand, on this show. I am simply sharing with you things that have helped me on my journey and sharing them with you so it might help you with yours. I would like to shout out to Ayasi478, Dr. Milo Pinkerton of COG, Luke Sinkowski, also known as the Great Lukeski, who is one heck of a cartoonist, Rob Olmsted, Dave Willis of Aqua Teen Hunger Force, and of course my husband Keith, as well as all my friends. Without you, I would have never ever have been able to have gotten this channel started. Answering my questions for me, pointing me in directions where I could find what I was looking for, and just being there for support. You're all incredibly awesome. And I want to thank you again very deeply from the bottom of my heart. Without you, this couldn't be possible. So, with that being done, let's get to it.